Alright, we are going to test the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus video recording. We're going to use a circle light. We're going to try it at different settings and see how the playback speed, the recording speed rather, gets affected. I'm hoping for a higher frame rate per second when there is more light on the subject. Okay, it's the lowest setting of warm light that I have, and then it was overpowered by the light of the screen. I'm going to turn that up 2 and see how that affects video quality. And just going to get right into opening up my files. And I'm going to switch it, turn it up even more. It actually went up 7 settings, so there's a lot of settings on the warm light. This is max warm light. Ideally, that means that the frame rate per second should have gone up. And I'm going to switch it over to cool light. That's what that do. Cool light is at max setting already. We're going to try to put it down and see how that affects the recording FPS. And also going to observe how much the video is shaking, because I don't have to move around very much. This is about a 6, I think. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this is max cold lighting. The camera is set up attached to the desk, and it is actually shaking a little bit with every movement that I make. So we're going to turn that down about halfway. This is about half setting on cold light, and just to compare with warm light, that's half brightness warm light setting. It actually puts off a noise. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. I hope it does not. Actually, this is both warm and cool setting. This is both lights together, which I forgot that this had. This is the lowest setting. That's off. On. This is at the top. This is about 9 clicks. I clicked more than 9, but 9 is all it goes to. And then we're going to turn it off. And we're going to see how we record in the dark for a little bit. And then we will turn it right back on. That's it. Check the autofocus. Works pretty well. I think everything works fine, but we'll see when we review the video. So, that's it. Till next time.